रिवोकेशन ऑफ द सस्पेंशन, अभी हम पार्लियामेंट का सेशन देखा है कि सम ऑफ द लाइक द एमपीज आर रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द हाउसेस एंड द सस्पेंडेड फ्रॉम द प्रोसीडिंग ऑफ द हाउस. So in that case, the power for the revocation of suspension in the hand of the speaker or the chairman, that is required. Suspension power is in the hand of the speaker. In the case of the Lok Sabha, in the case of the Rajya Sabha, it's in the hand of the chairman. So let's do the question first, then we will move out to the topic. Consider the following statement. Speaker is empowered to revoke the suspension of the member of the Lok Sabha. Second statement, there is no requirement for a motion for revoking the suspension of members of the parliament. Both are false. So iske under the speaker has not the power for the revocation or suspension. Speaker and the chairman only have the power of suspension. There is a need to pass the motion for the revocation of the suspension either of the houses, either the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. Logic बताएंगे constitution या central government या Supreme Court. There is a no logic. This is the condition given there. Speaker and the chairman only has the power to suspend the MPs from the houses, but not has the power to revocation of their suspension. So that's why this is the news, and this is the important fact. अगर speaker पे question आएगा तो this kind of the question can be easily framed. Central government के हाथ में ही नहीं है ना, हाँ, majority के हाथ में. For the motion has to be passed there. ऐसा नहीं, because the final decision of the speaker will prevail ना. If we go to the Supreme Court, then the decision of speaker is prevail there. Like in we can suspension order में सबसे पहले तो suspension नहीं होना चाहिए. If we can say there is a privilege of the parliament. If there is a suspension, then the speaker should present some of the important thing to the court if the cases is going to the court. What are the why the decision of the suspension is taken for the particular MP and MLA in the case of legislative assembly or in the case of the parliament. तो उस केस में speaker is the prevailing authority. तो उस केस में speaker के पास ही सब पावर है. तो उसमें parliamentary privilege का आएगा ही नहीं, क्योंकि speaker भी तो parliament का ही part है. केस में कोर्ट में भी नहीं जाएगा suspension का. The suspension of MPs cannot be goes to the court because so completely in the hand of the parliament का जो rule books है, rule books में mention. Yes, court में नहीं जा सकते. Speaker का decision final है, but speaker cannot revoke the suspension. हाँ, motion में voting होगी, उसके बाद ही then it can be the finalized by the speaker. ठीक है, दोनों के लिए same रहेगा. For the parliament, for the assemblies also. In the case of the assembly, there is also the speaker, but he can also like suspend the members, but cannot revoke their suspension. Okay, so this was the news on what ground and rules suspension of MPs. What is the procedure for the revocation of the members suspension? क्या procedure है? The speaker is empowered to place a member under the suspension. The authority for revocation of order is not vested in her. Revocations की authority उसके अंदर नहीं है. So this is the important point here, because this type of the statement, इसी type का statement पूछेंगे, and most of the 99% will mark the right answer कि हाँ उसके पास ही है. तो ये हटाता वही तो वो भी वापस लेके आएगा. But that's not the condition. It is the house to resolve a motion to revoke the suspension. The house by the motion terminate the suspension. House motions के through terminate कर सकता है suspension in the case of Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha.